I've been flying my DJI Mavic Air 2 for 2 years now. I suppose there's a bit of maintenance sequence that I have not fully followed, and because of this, one of the motors started to overheat and the gimbal was starting to have issues. Ignoring all this and instead downloading and installing updated firmware in hopes of fixing the issue ended up with me sending the Mavic Air 2 off to DJI for repairs. I was able to receive a notification that they received it on the 12th of January after I had UPS'd it on December 31st. Joys of living in Alaska. With the polar bear plunge coming the next day, I felt I needed to fly something, and I borrowed a DJI Mavic Mini 2 to keep me entertained on weekends. Here's my review of the drone. The DJI Mini is a compact and lightweight drone that is perfect for beginners and hobbyists. Its small size makes it easy to transport, and its user-friendly interface makes it easy to fly. The camera quality is impressive for its size, and the flight time is impressive at up to 30 minutes per battery. The obstacle avoidance feature is also a great addition for safety. Overall, the DJI Mini is a great drone for anyone looking for a high quality and easy to use option. The unit was purchased from Costco, where it cost $449. The purchase included the controller, drone, 2 batteries, all the wiring needed, and of course a handy carrying bag for storage and travel. The controller houses the 2 little thumb screws and allows your phone to plug into the unit. There's an on-off switch, and you're able to do it in sport mode, normal mode, and cinematic. The drone itself folds up nicely and can almost fit in a pocket. 4 quick legs extended, and the drone is pretty much ready to fly. There is a cover over the gimbal that allows it to stay in one place when stored. On the back side, you have a USB-C for charging, as well as a battery compartment. Below the battery compartment is where your memory card is stored. It's a finger press and it's out. To turn on the drone, there's a switch on the bottom. You press it once, and a second time. On that second time, it will start up the process, check the gimbal, the light comes on, and the props will just kind of flex on you. The memory card is easy to remove and put back in place. Always remember when you're finished using your drone to fold it up nicely and to put the cap back on the top of the gimbal to protect it. Not included with the original purchase is the 2-bay battery storage and charger. This unit has both a USB and a USB-C charging location. This is very handy because then you don't need the drone to charge the batteries. Alright, the goods. This is a great entry-level high-powered drone. This will beat any off-the-market basics as it is easy to fly and reasonable in price. I flew it from my doorstep and was able to go a half mile away in a short amount of time. The maneuverability is exceptional and even better than the Mavic Air 2, as I would never fly it through the covered porch of our rental house next door as I did with this one. The not so good is the fact that this unit is small and lightweight. Any wisp of wind causes the unit to not hover straight. When I did a full 360-degree turn with the drone, it doesn't stay in one place but makes more of a wide circle instead of just spinning on a dime. One of the aspects I was looking forward to was to be able to hand land the unit. As you can see, it took a little bit of practice before I mastered anything close to that. But overall, this is a great drone for the price and is excellent for any entry-level user. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.